Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Kanban and Obsidian to organize your task visually. So first, open the Obsidian application and click the gear icon in the bottom left in the bottom left corner to open the settings. And from the settings menu, select community plugins, turn on community plugins, then choose turn on and reload when the message appears. And after Obsidian reload, return to community plugins and click browse. Use the search bar to look for the Kanban plugin, and you may also see other options here, but for this tutorial, select the Kanban plugin that allows you to create boards similar to Trello. So click install, and once the installation is complete, click enable. Then Kanban plugin is now ready to use. Next, go back to Obsidian files, and then you can open an existing folder or create a new one for your task. Right click the folder where you want to place the board, then select new Kanban board. And then your new board will open automatically. And then to create a task section, click add a list and enter a name such as visuals. And then you can create another list for music or any other part of your project. Add cards under each list to keep track of individual tasks. Then move the cards between lists as your work progresses. So this is helpful because it gives you a simple visual view of your task without leaving Obsidian. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.